In this video, we will discuss about question number 3, fifth one, exercise 3.2, pair of linear equations in two variables. What about this question? Form the pair of linear equations. What? Form the pair of linear equations for the following problem and find their solution by substitution method. So first we will form the pair of linear equations, then we will find the solution of these linear equations by using substitution method. So what about this question? A fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fractions. Clear? We want to find the fraction. So first we should assume fraction. Let the fraction equal to x upon y. We assumed fraction x upon y. Now according to question, we will form the pair of linear equation according to question. A fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Once we add 2 to both numerator and denominator, then fraction becomes 9 upon 11. So this can be written as x plus 2 divided of y plus 2. We assumed fraction as x upon y. We are adding 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Once we added to both the numerator and denominator, then fraction becomes 9 upon 11. It will be equal to 9 upon 11. Solve this one. Cross multiply we will do. X plus 2 multiply by 11 equal to 9 multiply by of y plus 2. This can be written as 11x plus 11 2 ja 22 equal to 9y plus 9 2 ja 18. Solve this one. What we are getting? 11x plus 9y plus 22 minus 18. We are transposing both from right to left. Now this one, once we transpose this towards the where right to left, then its sign will be what? Minus. Yes or no? 11x is there, but we are transposing this towards right to left, so this will be what? Minus. This will be as it is, and this will be what? Minus. Now solve this one. 11x minus 9y, 22 minus 18, 22 minus 18, what is the remaining? Plus 4. So this will be the equation number 1. From first sentence, we obtain the linear equation in two variables. What? A fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. We assumed fraction x upon y, now in which we are adding to numerator and denominator 2. So x plus 2 divided of y plus 2, and it becomes what? 9 upon 11 equal to 9 upon 11. By cross multiplication, we are solving and we are getting linear equation in two variable. This is what? 11x minus 9y plus 4. Now next sentence is what? If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 upon 6. Once we add 3, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, now we will add 3. X plus 3 divided of y plus 3, and fraction becomes, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. it will be equal to 5 by 6. Do the cross multiplication. 6 multiply of 6 plus 3, sorry, 6 multiplied of x plus 3, 6 multiplied of x plus 3 equal to 5 multiplied of this one, y plus 3. What we are getting? Multiply, distributive law we will apply. 6x plus 6 3 ja 18 equal to 5y plus 5 3 ja 15. Solve this one. 6x minus 5y plus 18 minus 15 equal to 0. We are transposing these towards the left, then both will be negative. Minus minus will be there. 6x, what equation we are getting? 6x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. This will be what? Equation number 2. Yes or no? So what we are getting from this one? 6x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So this and this one both are what? Pair of linear equations in two variables we obtain. Observe again what we are doing in this question. We want to find the fraction. Find the fraction. We want fraction. So we assume fraction equal to x upon y. So according to question, a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. We are adding 2 both the numerator and denominator, then it becomes what? This one. We are solving, we are getting this equation, this linear equation in two variables. If 3 is added both the numerator and denominator, then it becomes what? 5 by 6. Now again we are doing cross multiplication and solving, we are getting this equation. This will be what? Linear equation in two variables. So equation 1 and equation 2 are what? Linear equation in two variables. So we obtain the what? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Now by using substitution method, we want what? Solution. Form the pair of linear equations. We formed the pair of linear equations. Equation 1 and equation 2 are showing pair of linear equations in two variables. But we want solution also. So how we will find the solution? Given by using substitution method. So from equation 2, 5y can be written as, I am transposing this towards the right, we are getting 6x plus 3. Finally y equal to 6x plus 3 divided of 5, and this is what? Equation number 3. Clear? Now put y from equation 3 to equation 1. Put y from equation 3 to equation 1. We obtain this equation. We obtain this one from the equation number 2. So we will not put this value in the equation number 2. We will put in the equation number 1. Put y from equation 3 to equation 1. So what is equation 1? This one. At the place of y we will put this value. So 11x minus 9 y is what? 6x plus 3. 6x plus 3 divided of 5 equal to what? Plus 4, not equal, plus 4 equal to 0. Clear? Solve this one. How we will solve? Take the LCM. We will take LCM 5. How many times it is going? 5 times it is going, multiplied by numerator. So this will be 55x minus 1 time it is going. So 9 into 6x plus 3 will be as it is, plus 5 time it is going, 5 4 ja 20 equal to 0. Now solve. Once we do the cross multiplication, its denominator part is 1. So what we are getting? 55x minus 9 6 ja 54. 9 6 ja will be what? 54x minus into plus will be minus 9 3 ja 27. 9 3 ja 27 plus 20 equal to 5 will be multiplied by 0. We are doing cross multiplication. This numerator term will be multiplied by this one, and this denominator will be multiplied by this numerator. So this will be 0. Finally, we are getting this one. Solve this one. 55x plus minus 55x minus 54x, remaining is only x, minus 7 minus 27 plus 20, remaining is minus 7, equal to 0. So what about the value of x? X equal to 7 we are getting. What value we are getting? X equal to 7. Put x equal to 7 in equation number 3. Put x equal to 7 in equation 3. Then what we are getting? Once we put at the place of the x 7, then what we are getting? Y equal to 6 into 7 plus 3 divided of 5. Solve this one. I am writing at this place. Y can be written as y equal to 7 6 42. 7 6 will be 42 plus 3 divided of 5. Y will be 45 divided of 5. So 1 time 9 time it is going. So y equal to what? 9. X equal to 7 and y equal to this one. So fraction, we require what? Fraction. Fraction equal to 7 upon 9. Observe carefully what we are doing in this question. We are having some situations. By using these situations, we will form the pair of linear equations. Then we will solve these linear equations by substitution method and find the solution. Clear? So question is what? A fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, and if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Two situations we are having. Find the fraction. So first we are assuming fraction equal to x upon y. Now once we added to both numerator and denominator by 2, then we are getting, it becomes, this fraction becomes what? 9 upon 11. So we assumed fraction is x upon y. Now we are adding numerator by 2 and denominator by 2, and it becomes what? 9 upon 11. By cross multiplication we are getting one linear equation in two variables. After this one, second sentence is given if 3 is added, same as we are adding 3, in which we are adding 2, in which we are adding 3 to numerator and denominator, then it becomes 5 by 6. Again we are cross multiplication, multiplying and solving, we are getting equation number 2, linear equation in two variables. So we have formed two linear equations in two variables. Now we will solve by using substitution method. So from this equation we are getting y equal to this one. We will put this value or substitute in this equation 1, and then we are getting the x equal to 7. We will put this value in the equation number 3, then we are getting y equal to 9. Finally fraction will be x upon y we assumed. So x equal to what? 7, and y equal to what? 9. So 7 upon 9 will be the fraction. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.